English class. Friends, in the previous class we have learned about the voice that possesses double objects. I hope that you all have understood all the previous classes. Now, today we are going to learn a new topic about voice. And this voice is very important voice. Today we are going to learn a voice that called quasi-passive voice. So have you heard the name of quasi-passive voice? I think some of you may know or some of you may not know. No problem. Today we are clarifying the fact about quasi-passive voice. So first of all, we have to be clarified about the definition of quasi-passive voice. What is quasi-passive voice? This is the million-dollar question. So now I am defining the definition. When a voice forms according to the structure of active voice, but the meaning seems to be heard like a passive voice, is called quasi-passive voice. Okay, so when we will do the examples, you will be more clarified. First of all, let us know the structure of quasi-passive voice. I have written the structure on the whiteboard. Please look very carefully. First of all, we have to write the subjects. In quasi-passive voice, we need not to change the subject of the quasi-passive voice. That means, since there is no object in the quasi-passive voice, so we need not to bring any object, and we need not to make it the subject of the sentence. So in quasi-passive voice, the subject will remain unchanged. Okay. Then we will write appropriate auxiliary verb that we have learned in the previous classes. Please recall the previous classes. Then we will write the past participle form of the main verb. Then we will write the extension or complement of the sentence. Okay. So look at the examples. I have written already 4 sentences on the whiteboards. So basically we have to know that basically the subject of the quasi-passive voice is an inanimate thing. Okay. The first sentence is honey tastes sweet. So can you guess that? Can honey taste itself? No. Honey is an inanimate thing, so it cannot taste itself. Rather, honey is tasted by someone or some animals. So these sentence structures according to the active voice, but its meaning seems to hear like the passive voice. That is why we call it quasi-passive voice. Okay, there. So what is the subject of the sentence? The subject of the sentence is honey. So we will make it the subject of the sentence. When we need to change it, I will write honey. Then we will write appropriate auxiliary verb. So what will be the appropriate auxiliary verb? I think you all know. Since there is no auxiliary verb and the main verb is in present form, so we have to bring am, is, are as the auxiliary verb. Since honey is a third person singular number, so we will bring is as the auxiliary verb of the sentence. So honey is. Then we will make the verb into past participle form. So the past participle form of the verb is tasted. Okay. And then we will write the extension. Means extensions or complement, whatever we call it. So sweet is the complement of the sentence, or we can call it extension. So I will write the extension sweet. So this is the standard rule of the quasi-passive voice. We can passive in another way. Okay, so let us see the another role of quasi-passive voice. I can make it quasi-passive in another way, like honey is sweet when it is tasted. We can make this sentence, like this active voice into passive voice in this way. So it is your choice how which structure you will follow. It's your choice. But I prefer the previous structure. That means this structure is very much standard than this structure. Okay, so this is the standard structure and modern structure. So I request you following this structure. Okay. The next sentence is the bed feels soft. This sentence has been formed according to the structure of active voice. But listen very carefully. The meaning seems to hear like the passive voice, because the bed is an inanimate thing and the bed cannot feel soft. Can it? No, since the bed has no sense and sensibility. So bed is felt soft by someone, especially any human being, isn't it? Or it can be any case of animal also, but I prefer the human being to animals. The bed feels soft. So this sentence is a quasi-passive voice. Now we will make it the passive voice. So first of all we will write the subject. The subject is bed, and we have to bring appropriate auxiliary verb. So I hope that you all have known the rules of changing auxiliary verbs from active to passive voice. So I will bring is, since it is a present tense and the subject is third person singular number. Okay. The bed is, then the past participle form of the verb feel, that is felt. The bed is felt, then we write extension or complement, whatever you call it, soft. Okay, this is very easy rule. If you follow the structure and if you can identify the sentence, whether the sentence is quasi-passive voice or not, so I think if you follow this rule, it is very easier to do it passive voice. Okay. Friends, let us see the third sentence. Rice sells cheap. Rice sells cheap. You ask yourself, can rice sell itself? No, rice can't sell itself. Rather, rice is sold by someone, some salesman or anybody else. Okay, so this is a quasi-passive voice. Okay, we will make it passive voice. So subject will be rice. Then this is, since it is the person single number, we will bring the verb is. Then VBE. That means first participle form of the verb say. So we will write sold. Rice is sold, then extension. Okay. So the last sentence will be as like as the previous sentences. Iron feels hurt. Iron can feels itself. Rather, iron is felt by someone like us. Can you feel the iron? Obviously, you will feel iron as hurt. Isn't it? So this is also an quasi-passive voice. Okay. So we will make it passive voice. So the subject is iron. Since this is present indefinite tense, we will bring am is her. So since this third person singular number will bring is. Then VPP, that means past participle form of verb, means failed. Then the extension of complement, or is failed. Okay. So students, I hope that you all have understood my class and you all have enjoyed my class. So if you are pleased with my class, I request you to watch my classes or watch my classes again and again. And if you have any kind of questions about Quasi-Passive voice, you can put any kinds of questions on the comment box of YouTube or Facebook, or you can contact with me personally. Okay, I will try my best to solve your problem. Students, no more today. In the next class, we will meet again and we will learn another lesson. So keep well till then. Allah Hafiz.